Stay with me. Today is going to be talk about something really long, but however, I think it's important that I share with you. There are 4 reasons that can lead to a cycle being cancelled during your IVF process, and here is why in traditional Chinese medicine. First, poor follicle development. From TCM perspective, this may due to kidney deficiency or liver qi stagnation. The kidney governs reproductive health, and kidney deficiency can affect follicle development. So liver qi stagnate can also obstruct the flow of qi and blood, so impacting the nourishment of the follicles. Second, a thin uterus lining. According to TCM, the uterus rely on sufficient of qi and blood to nourishment that to establish a favorable environment for pregnancy. So when you have blood statices or coldness that could obstruct the qi and blood flow, the uterus lining cannot be nourished, thus thin lining can't support embryo growth. So third, abnormal androgen levels. We know that liver and kidney governs body reproductive function, and their deficiency can affect hormone secretion. Dampness and flame may also interfere with hormone metabolism. Lastly, uterine fibroids. So the formation of fibroids often assisted with obstruction of blood statices in the TCM. So TCM emphasizes in promoting qi and blood flow and resolving the statices to preventing fibroid growth. So for all above reasons, the good news is that TCM can support this yin-yang balance and re-regulating your qi and blood, tonifying the liver and kidney essence to resolving these flame and statuses to ensure that your body is baby friendly. So try traditional Chinese medicine to double up your IVF success. For more information, comments in below. We will help you as much as we can.